Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to join the TikTok creativity program from any country in the world. And the creativity program, in case you don't know about it, is just like the YouTube partner program where creators can just make money when they create content on the app. So this is actually very useful, and at the time of me recording this video, it was just available for a few countries. That's the UK, United States, Spain, Italy, and then Korea and Japan. So in case you want to just try this out and also be a part of it and make some money, this video is actually for you. So first of all, what you need to do is you don't tamper with your previous page on your Chrome. I'm actually doing this step by step for you guys to be able to get everything done. So what you're going to do is you tap on this side right here, add on your Chrome, and then you're going to add a new screen for your Chrome. You get me? So you're going to go to sign in, and then you create a new email you are going to use for this. So I'm going to create a new email, which this email I'm going to give it to one of you guys right here. If I give the email and everything to you, you want to just change the name, you can do it, but I'm just doing it as trial, and then this is optional. I'm not going to do anything here. And the date of birth too, I'm going to do it January 1st 1990, and make sure you are making this 18 years. So I'm just going to do it 1995, 18 years. You make sure you have everything in mind, everything I'm writing here, and afterwards we click on next, and then we can pick on any email right here. So let me just create one which is going to be a bit easier. So I'm just going to do 100 tryout tests, and then let's see if it's going to work. All right, so it's worked. And the password, I'm just going to type in any password so that you guys can change it. So once you are done creating your, all right, so I'm going to use my Nigerian number. I'm not going to keep a recovery mail so that it wouldn't be mine. So I'm just going to leave it blank, and when I give it to you, you just keep the recovery mail. You get me? All right, so this is actually going to be the recovery number, but whatever it is, if you have the email I give it to you, you can just change it. And this number is not attached to any of my mails, so there is nothing that can be done. All right, so once you are in here, what you're going to do next is you click on this section right here, and then you come to extensions, and then you come to visit extension store, and then you're going to search this VPN right here. So you search for Windscribe and Windscribe VPN. If you don't find it, I'm actually going to leave a link of this VPN right here in my description, but you can actually choose any of these ones in case you like it. But if you don't have it, which that is what I trust most, so I'm just gonna add this one to this browser right here. So once you are done having this, you are going to pick on either France, USA, or England, UK. All right, so the reason why in this video we are going to choose for UK, because UK mostly it works. So I'm just gonna input my username and whatever login right here. Okay, so once you have connected, you tap on this section right here, and all the countries you can connect to are gonna work. You tap on this, and then you scroll down, and then you are going to see United Kingdom here. You tap on United Kingdom, and then mostly I pick on this one, the crumpets. You tap on that, and then it's going to connect for you. So once you see it turning blue, that means it's connected. And what you're going to do next is you go to your browser, and then type in tiktok.com. And make sure that after you are done doing this, after you're done logging in and then creating the account, you don't upload a video with a VPN on, else you're not gonna be able to just get anything. So when we type in this one right here, you're gonna see that everything that is going to pop up is from the UK. Like, we are going to have different videos that is from the UK. You can tell from the accent of the people, you're going to have everything from the UK. All right, so what you're going to do is you tap on this section to sign up, and then you're going to sign up with your email. The first thing that is going to pop up is actually a different thing. So you can see we have here as the US, and then we are just going to tap on this one right here, and it's set as the UK. And funny enough, if I change this account to this one right here, you cannot change the date of birth anymore unless maybe you back it up with your ID and all that. All right, so I'm just going to use it as the email I created, and then the email is actually going to be 100tryouttests@gmail.com. all right, so we have it right here, 100 tryout test, and then the password, you can pick any password. So I'm still going to pick the password I use for the email. So after I'm done, I'm just going to tap on this one right here, send code, and it's actually going to send the code to the email. So we go to the email to check whatever code we are actually going to get. So I'm going to go to the email, Gmail. So the code is here, And what we are going to do is you just copy the code, and then we are going to paste it here, and then we sign up. So we are going to paste the code here, and then we just click on next, and then we are just going to confirm this so that it shows that we are no bots, and then our sign up is actually going to get done. So with this, I'm not really going to tamper with the usernames and all that, so that the person who is going to have this is actually going to get a chance to change it, because if I change it, it would have to wait for 30 days and all that before you're going to be able to change your username. So however it's done, you're going to see it this way, and I'm going to log in on my phone for you guys to see how this account is. So you can see it's a different thing altogether, and it's having a different interface with people from different countries right here, and that is really great. So this is the accounts right here. You can see right here, user whatever, because I didn't tamper with it. And now I'm going to log in on my phone for you guys to check and then see that we have the creativity program popping up on the screen right here. So if you want to get this, just like this video up, and then also comment down below, I need this account, and I'll just pick anyone randomly, and then I'll just give the account to you. I don't need the account actually. So let's check on the phone and then see how the account is. So this is my French account right here. So you can see what I'm actually posting, just football quotes and all that. So when I tap on the creator tools and then I go to my monetization, you're going to see that we have the creativity program popping up right here, and that is really great. Actually, I have another one. Like I told you, I have one for, you can see right here. So after I reach the threshold, I'm actually going to just tap on apply, and I'm going to apply. I have another one for the UK account. That's my other TikTok account for my tech videos. You can see right here, I'm actually growing this one too. So I've actually posted, and you can see 2 videos, and it's actually having a very good momentum actually. So you can see right here, when I tap on this section to go to the creator tools, you're gonna see that it's gonna pop up still. You can see that's it right here, creativity program, meaning I'm gonna be eligible if I get to reach the threshold. And you can see right here, you get it, I'll get to apply, and my other account is right here. So you can see I said affiliated to Derek's Tech Hub. That's the other account, and that's it right here. And that doesn't have the creativity program. I would have been earning a lot of money right here on this account. So that's it. So I'm just gonna add the other account we created right away over here for you guys to see. So we go to add account, and then we go to login, go to email. So right now you can choose not to use a VPN, because if you use a VPN, if you use a VPN or not, it's actually not going to do anything. So you just have to log in right here, and then we are going to do 100 trial test. So this is it. We are going to get an email. Okay, so our account is all in here now, and then you can see immediately you sign up, and then you see this one right here. It means your trick worked. Let's tap on this section right here and go to creator tools. You're going to see something right here. You're going to see a different interface. So you can see right here, we have creativity program. You see, we have creativity program. But when I open my other TikTok, you're going to see that I don't have creativity program popping up. So this account is very new. So like I said, if you are interested, just comment down below. I am interested, and I'll pick anyone randomly, and I'll just give it to you. I don't need it. I hope you found value in this video, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video up. And in case you like more videos about how you're going to be able to install some applications on your Android phones or your smartphones, you can check this video right here, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.